Today, nagluto tayo ng sunny side up na egg. Ayan, dalawa lang piraso yan. 2 pieces only. Then, magsusutay ako ng onion. Onion with egg. Ayan, magsusutay na tayo ngayon ng onion. Apat na malalaking sibuyas lang to. 4 big onion. Ayan na, okay na to. Lalagyan na natin ng fish sauce at ground pepper. Mag-add na tayo ng ground pepper, a little bit ground pepper only. And fish sauce. You can add salt if you want, but para sa akin ay fish sauce ang lalagay ko. And then a little bit seasoning, just like that. Then saute. Now we will add the egg. Then mix. Ayoko na masyadong maraming itlog, kaya ganyan lang. 1 egg lang is enough for me. This is so healthy and delicious. Done cooking onion with egg.